How is it going, guys? Slippery Jim here. Welcome back to S1ipperycraft. And in this episode, what we're going to be doing is making a couple of multi-block structures. And I was thinking about getting closer towards power generation. I really want to get power up and running of some sort. And in terms of what we're going to need to actually link up our power generators when we make them, with our machines and everything when we make those, we're going to need some cables. So preparing in advance for that, the type of cables that I'll probably be using are these ones from Mechanism, the universal cables. So hopefully these will allow the power from both industrial craft and buildcraft and other types of different power setups. They will allow transmission of all types of power. I hope that's what it means by universal cable. But to actually make this, you need either steel or refined iron. So steel is probably the way that I'll go here. And there's a few different ways you can make the steel in this mod pack. Without machinery, though, the only way we can make it is with railcraft multi-block structures. So long story short, that's what we're going to be making today. A couple of those railcraft structures, one of which is going to be the coke oven, which makes coal coke, which is a much more efficient fuel source to burn instead of regular coal. And the other is, importantly, the blast furnace, and that actually makes the steel from iron. So to make that, we're going to need some magma cream, and we're also going to need, where is it in here? We're going to need some nether brick and soul sand to make the blast oven bricks. So between last episode and this episode, what I did was went into the nether to try and farm some of the magma cubes to get the magma cream. It took a long time, but I almost got enough, and that's when I realized you can actually craft magma cream using, let's have a look at the recipe here, magma. You can actually craft it with slime and blaze powder. So I actually crafted the last couple that I needed to because I had some slimes already. And yeah, the other stuff we're going to need is some sand, and we're going to need to cook up some bricks. So I'm going to get some bricks cooking up here and put those in there and those in there. I've been making up some graphite bars from coal as well. That's for something that we're going to get into pretty soon as well. Okay, so let's get the blast furnace bricks made up first. I keep looking in the wrong chest there. So I'll grab some soul sand and some nether brick. And I think we'll need about 36 or so of these to make the actual... what am I looking at here? Blast. To make the actual... the blast furnace, it is like a 3x3x4 structure. Oh. Probably didn't need that many. Whoops. The old shift click. Oh, the other thing that that I found in the nether was some... I found 5 nether diamond ore blocks. And basically what you do with the nether... with the nether ore like this is you put it in and you smelt it up in like a furnace, and it actually gives you 2 ore for each nether ore that you get. So I actually got 10 diamond ore blocks out of that, and I'm going to keep those until I get an enchanted pick so I can get more diamonds, because we're nearly, well, we're getting closer towards having a full stack of diamonds, and I'm going to need that for one of the quests. So yeah, that's basically the idea behind that. Okay, let's get some sand out of here. Now, I think we also need bricks. I think that's all we need, basically, sand and bricks. Let's just see if we can make a few of these coke oven blocks. So, yeah, like that. 4. Alright then, looks like we're going to need a lot more bricks. Let's see, I'll put some more of this in to cook up while we're doing some other stuff. And actually, I just want to check something. So I'm just going to go grab some of my, I should probably harvest some potatoes as well. Grab those. One fell down there. And I'll replant this. Yeah, I wanted to check whether the like the wood blocks that I'm using as my flooring, whether you can actually make covers out of those to hide all the cables and stuff, because I'm going to be needing to feed the cables underneath there. To make covers though, I'm going to need a saw, which requires some gems from which mod is it? Let me just have a look here. Project Red, I think. So we can make a sapphire one, or some of these different gems. I guess I'll just make one of these. Use that stuff. Okay, where's the stairs? Up here. And eventually, I'm gonna want to get some quarries happening and all of that sort of thing once we get power happening, because it's kind of painful having to mine the manual way like a peasant. Oh, it's dark out here. Okay, we got zombies. Let's try and get back to base. There's a creeper over there. Let's get rid of the creeper. Woo! Okay, that was frightening. Remember, remember, if I die, it's pretty much game over. So hopefully we can. Let's just replace that. I don't want the creepers messing up my terrain. Uh-oh. Zombie, come get some. Let's just fix up the old creeper hole. It's kind of annoying how they always destroy blocks. Uh-oh, this is an angry zombie. I can't remember what they're called exactly. Angry zombie, there you go. Yeah, I totally knew that. He looked angry with those eyes. It was like either that or he'd not had enough sleep or something. Okay, what do we got down here? Just some skeletons and stuff. Probably shouldn't have left my door open at night. Okay, what was I doing? I was going to make a saw. Saw one of these. Diamond, eh? Interesting. We got this one, didn't we? What do I need? Sticks or something? Let's get some sticks. And I got a sample of this. How many sticks was it? Well, we can make some more anyway. And that. Okay, let's do that and that. What am I doing wrong? Biomes are plenty. Project Red. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Pretty sure that's what that is, right? Let's just try it with the diamonds. See, that's not... Is it these Natura sticks? Is that the problem? Stone tool rod. Oh, okay. I need 2 of these. How do I make these? Stone. We can make some stone up easy enough. Let's get some of this happening. Come on. Let's make some more of those coal coke things up. Bricks. Coke oven bricks. 11. So I think we need 27. So we're still a ways off that. Okay, now we should be good. Hopefully. Come on, let's get the right one. That one. Yay! We did it. Okay, now the big tests. Please, please work. Ah, it does work. Perfect. Good. I was a bit worried about that, because otherwise I'd probably have to replace all my flooring. I'm not sure which way they place, but we'll worry about that when it happens. I like things that look nice as well. You guys who've watched my modded Minecraft playthroughs before would know that it's not just enough that they work, they have to actually look good. Okay, I think we're just missing some sand. Let's try this. 21. How many did I say? 27, I think I said. So I need a little bit more. Come on. How much is left in there? 4. So it takes 4 for each block. That's kind of an expensive recipe. Cook a little bit more of this up. Starting to run out of coal in that one. Put that in there. Get rid of the brains. I'm not sure why there's 2 different kinds of brains. It's Thorncraft. Kind of interesting. And I might as well cook those up as well while I'm doing this sort of stuff. Where are my blocks in here? Let's chuck that in there. And that in there. The tools I'll probably put up there. Yeah, that's going to take a while. So let's just go up and get started on this. So what I've done is hollowed out another level just above the old nether portal room. And I've marked it out in dirt. This probably is not where I'm going to put everything. Actually, I'm going to move it back a block from this. Let's just get rid of this. Probably should have a shovel on me. But anyway. Grab all that. Okay, so we've got these. This we can make. And actually, there's one other thing that I want to make. We'll come back in a second. I'll just chuck out some of this stuff. I want to make some tanks. So I can't make the railcraft tanks, unfortunately, because I don't have the right rolling machines and stuff that I need for that, which sucks, because I really like the look of those. But some other cool tanks that we can make, we're going to need some glass, and we're going to need some obsidian for this. So glass panes. Let's get some of those. And these are the tanks from Open Blocks. Let's just see, what are they called? Tank. These ones, yeah, like that. Alright, so that makes 2. Why can I not? Okay, get out of that. Let's make these things. Okay, that's given us 10. That'll be good to start with, but I will probably need 27 of those. 27, or even 36, because I want it to be the same size as the other multi-block structures up there. How many more of these can we make here? Let's have a look. 26. I need one more, I think. That should be enough. So I'm going to leave the rest of these in to cook up, because I also want to make some brick blocks. Okay, let's put these together then. Alrighty, so Let's see. So I'm going to put one of them here. Ooh, thunder. What I'll probably do is I'll probably put the tank back here, and I'll put the coke oven how will I do this? That's there to there. Yeah, we'll probably put like the blast furnace here and the coke oven over here. Wow, that is super loud thunder. So we'll make the blast furnace to start with. So it's basically like this. You place the base down, and then you do this. Put the top on that, and then you leave the middle of it hollow. So if we place this, it should then complete the structure. And there it is. We got the GUI there. Nice! Alright. Cool. So all we have to do now is basically put fuel in here, like coal coke or regular coal, as well as iron in here, and it will make steel for me. So we can make that cable. Alright, now this thing here, I'm going to put over here. So this is actually... I don't have a pick on me. Let's just go down and get a pick. I'm going to get rid of this ladder system eventually. We'll have elevators instead. Alright. Let's make some bricks. Bricks. I think those ones maybe. So I want them to sort of look like that. We've got mud brick. I'm not sure what the best material would be. Colored bricks. Cocoa beans. Paintbrush. We could do the colored bricks even. What else is there here? Sandy brick. How do I make that? Sandy brick. See, that looks the same color, exactly the same color. Oh, rock crusher? Chisel. Sandy brick. Ornate sandy stone. Yeah, I think that's the chisel one. Sandy brick, fitted sandy stone. Fitted sandy stone slab. How do I make that? Fitted sandy stone. Oh, sand and brick. Alright. Let's give that a go. Sandy stone. Where was it? Sandy block. Sandy. It's probably, yeah, like that. And then let's see. How do I make those? Sandy brick. Sandy block. Oh, is that an Enderman? Yeah, let's try and work this out. So, sandy stone. Sandy block. thought it would be like that, but obviously not. Oh, here we go. Sandy block slab. Sandy block is probably not the same as sandy stone though. How do I make regular sandy stone? Sandy block. That's the stuff that I want. Oh, chisel. So I probably need like a chisel thing. Getting sidetracked a little bit here, but carpenter's chisel. I'm not really familiar with the chisel mod, but or how to use it. Chisel. So it's chisel. Not quite sure whether you just need the chisel to make that, or if there's some sort of machine that you need. Chisel 2. Oh, here we go. Chisel. A stick and an iron ingot. We can definitely do that. I was going to get my pick, wasn't I? Let's grab that. We can definitely do that. So I think I've got some iron ingots here. Man, that thunderstorm is so loud. Just need a stick. Stick. Put those together. Cool. Now, let's see if this will work. How do we... Oh. What? That's how you do it? I didn't need the chisel? Sandy brick. 6. I actually need 9, though. Let's get some more of this happening. Sandy, yeah, it's identical. That is perfect. It's gonna look really good. Hopefully, it doesn't mess up the multi-block though. Put that in there for now. Actually, I'll take that and put that in the tools along with these. Probably that. Okay, what was I going to do? That's right, sandy stone. Sandy block. Just want to make some more of this. Sand. Have I run out of sand? God damn it, man! Alright, oh, there's a Enderman out there. Come in here, Enderman! Oh. Where'd he go? Come at me! Where'd he go? Yes! I've defeated you! I don't know if he dropped an ender pearl. Oh, there's another one over there. Uh-oh, this is bad. This is not good! I stand in the doorway. Gotta regen my health. Okay, where'd he go? I need all the ender pearls I can get. There he is. Oh, he's got a TARDIS on his head. No! Oh, critical hit. You like that jump shot? Look at this guy. He's got like a flying pig on his head. These hats are pretty crazy. Alright, enough fighting random mobs. Let's get back in here. Okay, so that's right. I was going to get some sand. I need a shovel, or actually I can use my fists. There's another enderman over here somewhere. I can hear him. Let's just get some of this. I don't think I need that much. Just keeping an eye on that zombie. Nice armor, bro. Try and get the critical hit. There you go. Okay, let's make a little bit more of this sandy block or whatever it's called. And put that in there. Then like that. We need one more. God damn it. I think I have two. Okay, I only need two bricks actually. There we go. Nine, perfect. Okay. We've got the pick. I think we are ready to get this thing built. Let's get back up here. Yeah, I'll have to work out that chisel mod because it has some really nice looking blocks that you can make with it. Decorative blocks and stuff like that. Alright, I was going to put it over here. So, oh, I already had one block down. Oh no, that's one of the, that's right, that's the other type of block that I need. Sandy bricks. So this will be the base here, because remember this is 3 by 3 by 3, so I want it to be the same height, so it looks symmetrical. And then we build the multi-block structure pretty much the same way as we built the last one, like this. And they don't you don't need to put lava in them or anything like that. Okay, is that, what have I done wrong? Did I build that wrong? Pretty sure it's 3 by 3 by 3, unless I used the wrong blocks. Let's take another look at that coke oven. 3 by 3 by 3 hollow. Oh, I know what I've done. And then there. Yep. Cool. So yeah, that is a little bit high, but never mind. Oh, whoops. Okay, so I'm going to put the tanks over here. I'm just thinking of where I want the pipe to go. It's going to have to go around. So, oh well, whatever. We'll put this here. Oops. Come here, you. And that's... Alright, yeah, I'll definitely have to mine some more obsidian, and I'm going to hook this up later as well. But it's got a little bit of a buffer in here anyway, or a reservoir for the creosote oil, which is the byproduct that I want to feed into this tank. So we're not going to need the tanks hooked up straight away, but I definitely will hook them up eventually. So let's get some, let's feed some iron into that, and I'll put some coal, if I've got any left, into the coke oven as well. Block of iron, we'll get a bunch of that cooking up. And we also want Actually, I'll need a ton of steel, so that'll do. And the coal, I believe, is down here. If I've got some left. Let's see. Where would I have put it? I might have taken it upstairs. There's a tiny little bit in there. Block of coal. I've got tons of it, man. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we'll get these up and running. And generate us some steel. So they do kind of work super slow, but that's just the way it is. So I'll put the coal in there, and I'll put the iron in here. So how long will that take to give me some coal coke? Probably quite a while, I would imagine, because I don't even see progress on this arrow here. Alright, let's put some regular coal in the blast furnace just for the time being. Oh, there's an Enderman down here. Hey, buddy. Where's he going? Is he going to come back in here to attack me, or? I can hear him. Maybe we should go outside so he can attack us out there a bit easier. Oh no, it's nighttime. Oh! That's just scary noise that they make. Oh, what the heck, man? I'm glitching. I'm glitching. I'm stuck on the... I was stuck on the... I think it's that head there. I should probably move that up. Since it's an Enderman head, so it's probably trying to sabotage me and trap me. Let's move it up a block to there. Okay, come at me. You'll be the third Enderman this episode. Oh god, they hit hard. They hit hard when they do hit. Oh god, I don't need a frigging... What the hell? Everything's attacking me out here. Oh no. Was that guy? I don't think that was a regular zombie. He had like stitched over eyes. Okay, heal up. Okay, let's go back up and feed some coal into the blast furnace. Unless we have some coal coke. Oh, look how slow this is. It's just... It's got all of this anyway. 64,000 millibuckets capacity for the creosote oil. So, yeah, we're going to use a little bit of this to start with. Put that... Oh, come on, man. Does it need regular... maybe it only takes coal coke? Got a nasty feeling that that's the case. Yeah. It only takes coal coke. So we're going to have to wait. We're just going to have to wait. There's no two ways about it. Alright, guys. Well, that is where we're going to leave this episode for today. I hope you have enjoyed a little bit of building and like getting some of the stuff organized for us to have a setup where we can get power and cables made. We'll come back in the next episode, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. S1ipperycraft out.